Being able to facilitate a productive cough was one of the most challenging parts of my recovery. At times I would find myself totally avoiding it because it was painful and uncomfortable, or sometimes it just felt scary that it was such a challenge to do. My cough began as a dry, non-productive cough, but in the weeks that followed my COVID diagnosis, it became more junky and more productive. I would feel a heaviness and restriction, specifically in my right lower lung, mostly in the morning. So doing this breath practice in the morning with some of the other exercises I have shared was very helpful. The way that it works is you take a full, complete inhale. You retain the breath at the top of that inhale, maybe for a count of 3 or a count of 5, and then you forcefully cough. That cough creates an exhale. You completely empty the lungs after whatever amount of cough you were able to produce, and then begin again. I would usually only be able to do 5 to 7 rounds of this type of breath. I found it very, very challenging, but it did help to loosen what I felt was the congestion in the lower lung. So let me give you a demonstration. A nice deep inhale breath. Retain for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full exhale. Big inhale. And retain. And cough. Exhale. As I said, sometimes the cough was very small and shallow. With time and practice, it would get a little bit deeper. I hope you find this another useful tool in your recovery. Thank you.